Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries Fight Sign. This is July monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see Aries, what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries Fight Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, Knight of Cups, Five of Pentacles, the Magician, and Ten of Swords. I think you're very tired and your energy is totally drained. You're fed up with this energy, Aries. And in near future, you will be in Magician energy. You will manifest whatever you want. I think in your relationship, they are neglecting you. Maybe they are cold shouldering you because Five of Pentacles. For some, they are breadcrumbing you. And Knight of Cups. But someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you. For some, it could be a brand new person. For some, it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. So let's see your reading recent past. Queen of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and the World. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. Some cycles are ended between you and your person. Some are going to be begin. I think you are very sharing and caring person, Aries, and you have strong emotions towards your person because you are very emotional person. And Two of Pentacles, but you are thinking about someone or something and you are juggling. I think there is no clarity in your relationship, especially from your person's side. That's why you are juggling. You are juggling between you and they and your career. Definitely, you are juggling. For some, you are juggling between your head over your heart. Then present the Hangman, King of Pentacles, and Six of Wands. So you are concentrating in relationship. You are feeling stuck. Uh, you continuously thinking about your person. Then you started focusing on your career, and you are getting success. Yes, if not, you will. Six of Wands. You are getting recognition for your hard work. In relationship wise, there is no stability. I think, but you are wishing for stability. Future Six of Cups, the Hierophant, and Nine of Cups. But in future, uh, maybe someone is coming back for reconciliation if you are in separation. But I am not seeing any separation here. Yes, for some, if you are in relationship with this person, they want to take this relationship to next level. The Hierophant, they want to marry you. Some marriage proposals are coming, and your wishes are going to be granted. And the Magician here, so you will manifest whatever you want in your life. This is a high level soulmate connection because Six of Cups is here. The person involved in this connection could be Lord of Water Energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. The Fool, Hierophant, wow, Emperor, Ace of Pentacles. This is going to be next level. Your relationship is going to be next level. If you are in relationship with this person, they now taking to next level. They wanna marry you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Aries. Lot of cards, that's why. Okay, it's one. Two of Wands, Magician, Five of Wands. Yeah, there are some issues, but your person thinking about you a lot. For some, this could be long distance relationship. Page of Cups. Yes, if they did hurt you, now they wanna say apology to you. They are suffering right now. Maybe due to the disturbances between you and your person, they are missing you so much, and they are spying on you. There is communication is coming. Yes, they wanna say apology to you if they hurt you. And Magician, they are also manifesting you. Yeah, there are some issues. Five of Wands, drama is going. So let's see their intentions. Knight of Swords, communication. Six of Wands, marriage, success. Page of Cups. Yes, they are taking this relationship to next level, upgrade in love, Aries, and they are rushing to communicate with you, and they are missing you so much. Yes, they are missing you so much. Nine of Swords with Page of Swords. So for those who are in no contact or in separation, very few, they are missing you so much, and they are spying on you. Communication is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Even though there are some issues, they want to overcome all those issues, all those obstacles, and they want to marry you. Yeah. This is Temperance. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Patience is the key. And Three of Cups, reunion, celebration, marriage. Wow. And the Chariot, yes. And the World. So they're coming. If you are in separation, for some it could be slow moving, but they're coming. They're coming back for reconciliation, and they want to take this relationship to next level. Queen of Swords, you want best, you deserve best. And the Magician, wow. I think you both mirroring each other. Maybe you both are manifesting each other into your life. And Ten of Swords, new beginnings. Still, you are taking your control back. Aries, you still want rebirth in this connection. You still want this person in your life. Yes. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. I think you want to give clarity to them. That's you want marriage. Less than that, you don't want anything. That type of energy I'm getting here from your side. Let's see mutual. Yeah. In past, there is no equal give and take in this connection. Yeah. Waiting. Wheel of Fortune, death. For some, there is separation. But things will turn into this connection favor. Maybe you both are waiting for right time. Divine timing. Yeah. There is waiting. But this is worth waiting for. They are coming back to take this relationship to next level. For some, it will take some time because everything will be in divine timing. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aries. I'm crazy about you. True love. I'm serious about you. Soulmates. I can't let you go. I want to express my love. I'm crazy about you, true love. I'm serious about you, soulmates. I can't let you go, and I want to express my love. These are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Hold your vision, full moon. Fixed moon, sorry. So if you want to achieve anything or you are manifesting something into your life but you are not getting results, but hold your vision, it will come true. And expect powerful change, new moon eclipse. So there is a powerful change is coming into your life or into your relationship, especially when new moon eclipse is going. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.